Manchester, man. You have to win tomorrow. If you don't win tomorrow, you're gonna get a groot klap on me. Come on, man. Come. Win. I want to see 8-0. I want to see 8-0. I want to see it. I want to see 8-0. 8-0. I want to see it. Then I am good to go. Then I'm gonna love. And I want to see Manchester City lose. I want to see Arsenal lose so that we can love that. So that we can win the what? So that we can win the what? The league. The Premier League. So that's why I need you guys to win 8-0. If you guys don't, and you guys do know, that's fine. Or 4-0, but if we lose, I'm gonna get so mad. I hear the Liverpools are saying they are third. They are third place. Must I go with you?
No, it's raining, man. Where's the laptop back?
Yeah, guys, so please win tomorrow. Where's mommy gonna come eat?
I'm gonna sit down.
Yep. So I'm going back to my house like usual. My face. Okay, guys. So my face kunya. Hati yellow. Senna lemons. Casimiro. Juice who was Xerxes. Yeah, guys, I'm not